doing an experiment today called
Adjust the Volume.
And you might notice that some of our materials include 2 bowls. One of these bowls is filled with
Ice cold water.
and over here I've got a kettle full of hot water. We also have 2 plastic balloons with some plastic bottles with balloons hanging off the top. I'm going to pour my really hot water into this bowl, and in a moment, Miss H and I are going to put our bottles into the water. Stop and make a prediction.
What's going to happen to the balloons? We said stop. Pause.
All right.
Oh, welcome back. We missed you.
Yeah.
It's been so long.
All those great
since
kids
I've seen your
listening
faces.
to the instructions.
Oh, yeah, that
Okay.
too.
So now Miss H and I are going to put our bottles in the different temperature water. I want you to make an observation of what happens with the balloon when we do this. Dump it in a little further. Get more hot. Okay, stop and make an observation. If you look at the 2 bottles and the 2 balloons.
What happened?
You may have noticed that in the hot water, where the temperature was much hotter, the balloon started to expand. And the reason that it is expanding is because the air molecules are getting heated up. And that means they like to start moving around a lot faster. And when they start moving around a lot faster, they need a little bit more space to be moving around. So that's what causes that expanding motion.
And in the cold water, the air particles contract, means they go closer together, so that if there was any air in this balloon, it's actually now the plastic of the balloon is right against each other, and you can even see here it's kind of starting to suck the balloon in a little bit because the particles are getting closer and closer together and moving slower.
So often, if we think about where we can see this in real life, you can think about maybe a hot air balloon. So when we use a hot air balloon, you would see that the balloon starts to expand. And often you think, oh, it's because hot air rises, but it's also, when we get further into our flight unit, we'll talk a little bit about density and how that adjusts why a hot air balloon can fly.
Which is why you wouldn't want to go in a cold air balloon, because you wouldn't really go anywhere. Good job, children.